If you're a coach or creator who's not getting sales on the internet, then it's probably not your marketing or your funnel that's broken. It's probably not your content and copy. It's probably the offer itself. And we found there's 3 subconscious sales triggers that are sabotaging your sales and causing your customer to not want to buy from you, because the subconscious brain inside your customer is always looking for reasons to not buy from another guru on the internet. So the first thing your offer needs is to have a really clear, specific audience. Because if your offer doesn't specifically call out somebody and say, this is who it's for, then the subconscious brain isn't going to say, this is for me. And if the subconscious brain doesn't say, this is for me, then what they're saying is, this is not for me. Let's go protect your wallet. The second thing is a clear, desirable achievement, a result. What do they get from buying your thing? Because you're asking them to pull out money, so now that result has to be worth at least what you're asking for, but more likely it has to be worth way more than that, so they think they're getting a deal. Because if it's not clear what they're getting, they're not going to spend money to get something that's not very clear. If it's not desirable, they're not going to spend money on something they don't want. We can't make people want to buy something they don't want. So the best way to get sales is to sell them something they want. Now, the third piece is a unique methodology, because the brain is always looking for novelty, and it's also looking for reasons not to buy. So if your offer sounds similar to all the other offers out there, if you're saying, here's my game plan, and they're like, well, I've already heard of that, and I realized I don't think it's going to work for me, or I've already tried that, and I know it's not going to work for me. If it sounds similar to anything they've heard of or tried, then the brain's going to have ammunition to say, this isn't going to work for us. But if it's a unique method that they haven't heard of and they haven't tried, then the brain has no information to say whether it is or not going to work for them. And if it's a unique methodology that sounds interesting, we're opening up a curiosity loop in their brain to say, what is that? The only way they can close that curiosity loop, which the brain hates open loops, only way to close it is to buy and to learn what is inside this method, right? So that's why you need a specific identity and a customer that you're targeting. You need a clear, desirable achievement that they get when they buy, and you need a unique methodology so they can't talk themselves out of it. So if your offer is missing one of those 3 things, then you are sabotaging your sales and asking your customers not to buy from you. So make sure you clean those things up. And if you want to learn how we create tribe offers to check all those boxes, then just comment tribe offer and I'll hook you up with a link. All right. Let's go.